y'all, welcome back to Homestead Ranch. So we got a new piece of equipment yesterday here on the ranch. This is a rototiller, and look at the garden spot, how much different it looks. We were having trouble with clumps of grass, there was rock, so we decided it was time to just go on and get this piece of equipment and look how much smoother it is. I've still got that one clay spot back there, and we're going to run it through again, but it looks totally different if you go back and look at the videos. So I'm going to let my husband here take it over and tell y'all about this tiller.
Okay, this is a 60-inch reverse rotation rear tine tiller. It's a Tar River branded. It's gear drive, which is a better option than the chain drive to me. Some people like the chain drive, say it's quieter, doesn't sound as rough, but gear drive always seems better in my book.
What do you, I'm ignorant about this stuff. What is gear drive and chain drive?
Well, over here,
I see it says gear drive.
All right, PTO box, gearbox here, drives a shaft that spins gears down here, all the way down. There's 3 gears in there. Chain drive, it will be a gear at the top, a gear at the bottom, and a chain around it.
Okay. So you have to put, I'm assuming with gears, oil?
Yes. These do not come with oil in them. They come dry. You have to get the oil to go in them.
I saw you with bottles of oil yesterday. It was like huge ketchup bottles. What kind of oil, or where
it's
do you
gear
put it?
oil. The manual that comes with it is in that tube.
Okay.
And it tells you what oils to get.
Okay.
But it's 90 weight. It can be multiple viscosity oil, but 90 weight oil in the gearbox up here. In the side over here in the gears, it's a 140 weight oil.
So you use 2 different oils?
Yes.
And put it in 2 different places?
Yes. This one is a dipstick. Unscrew that, and there's a dipstick with markings on it for your oil level.
Just like checking a car?
Just like checking a car.
Okay.
This side, you take this bottom plug out.
Okay.
Take him out, lay him to the side, take the top plug out.
Here. I see it now. Okay.
Take the top plug out, you fill him here till he starts running out here.
Okay. That makes your gears work.
Well, that keeps you from burning the bearings out and stuff like that in it.
Yeah, and this was, I mean, you can see with those blades, that was so much better yesterday using that on this, especially clay soils, rocky soil. This is better than just disking it up. Now we had disc, but it couldn't even hack it. I mean, and this was, new ground. You guys saw this. So.
We just don't have the room up here by the house for a tractor instead of disc.
Yeah.
We tried it, didn't work.
That was the ticket.
This has worked a whole lot better.
Now, how much did this cost? Now, this come from our local.
$2,700. Our local feed store ordered it from a place out of Tennessee. It came in to us. Picked it up yesterday, had to put it together. But when you have to put it together, it's not everything you see here. You put these 2 blocks on for your lift arms, and you put the tree on top of it for your top link. That's what putting it together is. You have to put PTO shaft on it, which, depending on your tractor, you are liable to have shortened. Which I had to have this one shortened yesterday.
Yeah, we had to stop because I had to go and shorten it.
Yeah,
so.
It's just too long for the tractor. You couldn't hook it up. And I'm gonna have to shorten it a little more. I've got it where it will work, but I will have to shorten it a little more because to hook it up, I have to pick the lift arms all the way up on the tractor, get it to the widest point. But it's not binding when I drop it.
What did you notice anything bad with it yesterday, or anything you would not recommend? We're not sponsored by, what is it, Tar River Implements. We're not sponsored by them. I'm just giving you an honest review for somebody that's using this to disc up clay and rocky soil. Was there anything bad?
Really, as far as the tiller itself, no. There's nothing I can find really bad about it. Well, I've used it right here, though. I haven't used it a whole lot. I haven't used it on ground that I haven't run with a turning plow first.
And we're going to use it, or we're going to use it down in the bottom. Okay, so let me show you this next spot, and then I'm going to show you guys using it. And don't be laughing at my tractor now. Oh, hey, that little tractor has pulled us through some stuff now. I mean, it's...
That is a mid-60s model Ford tractor.
Hey, and I wouldn't take nothing for it, so... I'm going to walk over here and show you guys. Because I can see it from the house, the next place we're going to use it. Hopefully today I'm going to plant these gardens, but I'll let you know if it does well. So there is, I'm short, so maybe I'll arch it up. So this is behind the house here, and this is, I think I got it in. I've got a lot of brush growing up, but that's the whole garden spot, and I've never shown you guys that. But this right here, this is deer paradise. It's just a green pasture, and I'm gonna try to plant sweet corn down there, but you can see we let it lay after we dished it up, but it needs to be tilled. So I'm excited to get this tiller back in here, and that's probably what's the measurements on that garden spot?
50 by 100.
Oh, sorry guys, I got in the trees.
Maybe a little longer.
So anyways, so that's that, and I'll take you and let you see this view of the garden spot. Got my little well house there. But yeah, it looks so much better. And I noticed yesterday it was flattening out more with this. There was a lot of ridges in the yard, which the yard's uneven, but it is smoother, it's more flattened out. You can still see a little bit of the grass up here, but there's not clay attached to it. It's just like dry grass now. It's not as clumpy. It's much smoother. So I'm gonna let you see hubby running through this, and we'll go from there. Look at that. So much better. As much as we garden, I would say this is definitely an investment, especially if you do big scale, large scale gardening. You would need some kind of heavy equipment. We tried by hand, we tried just disking it up, but guys, at some point you got to have the equipment. You can see the dirt just spinning out. I'm gonna try to zoom in, see it just going through it. That part of the garden will be excellent. It's so dark, which I was surprised up here where it was so grassy. And I'll let you see him run through the grass. Like, it darkened up here. It's just that one bad spot, but we can amend that.